welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thread the upper thread as well as insert the bobbin into your sewing machine. You're going to need your spool base, your thread, and your spool cap. All of those are going to go onto your spool pin. And now it's time to take your thread and pass it through the thread guide that is located at the top of your sewing machine. Now you want to pull the thread through the tension disc and continue to pass the thread through the thread guide on the sewing machine. Now you're going to do what they call a U-turn inside of the tab and then pass the thread through the take-up lever from right to left. So that's what I'm doing here. It has the right and then it has the left. And if you pay attention, all of those arrows are what your thread guide are. It's showing you what to do. So now you're going to continue to go down through the thread guide and you just simply pass the thread through the eye of the needle from front to back. Once that's done, you pull your thread through, place it to the side, and you can now insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Now, as far as the bobbin goes, the most important thing you want to remember is that you are using metal bobbins with this sewing machine. And then you also need to make sure that your bobbin is turning counterclockwise before you place it into the bobbin case. You do that by just pulling on the tail of the thread and make sure that it is turning counterclockwise. Mine is, so I'm going to go ahead and place the bobbin cover plate on there, and my machine is now ready to go. So all I'm doing is just giving my strings a little bit of a tug, and you do again want to make sure your sewing machine is off. Mine is on so that you all can see what I'm doing because I have the light on. I'm going to test my stitches. This is a step that I highly recommend that you do at all times whenever you have to rethread your sewing machine. So I'm going to snip my threads and then give you a close-up, and you'll see that my sewing machine is sewing perfectly fine. So now I'm ready to go. Hopefully this helps you all. It's a very easy and straightforward process. And thank you so much for watching. As always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.